John Butler with IT Business Support, and today we're going to show you how to replace your own UPS batteries. So here you have a host server in your back office, and here you have your UPS unit. So the only thing you have to do is take the lid off carefully, pull on the right, and push to the left, and the lid comes right off. Just lay it down somewhere. And then you'll have these cables in front, and you'll want to just loosen these up, detach them, and then to take the faceplate off, you have to slide to the right and just pull it out. Lay that down next to the other piece, and then you're just going to gently pull the rack of UPS batteries out. Now the great thing about this is that you can do it while the unit is still on and the server is still on. These are hot swappable, so you don't have to turn anything off. Alright, now you're going to go place this over on a table. Okay, so now you've got your UPS case on a flat surface. You have your new batteries right next to the case. Now the trick to this is that when you get ready to replace your batteries, you're going to replace one at a time. So first thing we need to do is remove this top portion of the case. That's when your Phillips screwdriver comes into play. And you'll have 4 screws you need to remove. Be careful not to lose the screws, they're very small. And you'll just put them off to the side together. Remove the top of the plate, and it'll be a little bit snug around the cables here, so you just loosen it up and pull it out. So now we begin our UPS battery replacement. So again, you want to just do one at a time, and when you pull these out, you want to be very careful when you pull the cables out, because they have sharp edges on the connectors. So you just want to, they're kind of snug, so you want to kind of gently wiggle and loosen the cable out. And you'll have 2 connections on each battery. Move the first one, you want to put it off to the side. Take the exact replacement, plug it back in, make sure they're all the way in, put it back in its place, go to the next one, halfway there. Go to number 3. And our last one. Are good to go. Alright, take your top portion of the case and put it back in position. Make sure you run your cables through this little hole here. Line it up so you can put your screws back in. Okay, so you got all your screws in and you're ready to put this back into the UPS. Just slide it back in slowly. Make sure it goes all the way in so it can't go in any further. You're going to take your faceplate for the UPS case, slide it back in through the cable, line it up in front, and just slide it to the left to lock it in place. And take your cables and connect them back together. And take the front panel of the UPS, put it in place on the left-hand side first, and just snap it in place. And there you are. UPS battery replacement.